Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Cooking, where we make healthy eating delicious and simple. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for delicious meals that fit into a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're flipping through recipe books or browsing online, finding that perfect balance can be a challenge. Today, I'm super excited to share a recipe for a high-protein, low-carb pasta that's gonna revolutionize your weeknight dinners. Imagine indulging in a creamy pasta dish without any of the guilt. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Alright, let's dive in and get cooking. First up, the star of the show, our pasta. We're not using just any pasta, we're using chickpea pasta. Instead of traditional pasta, we're using chickpea pasta. It's a fantastic alternative that's both nutritious and delicious. It's packed with protein and low in carbs, making it perfect for those who are mindful of their macronutrient intake. Plus, it has this amazing nutty flavor that adds an extra kick to the dish. You won't even miss the regular pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions and set it aside. Next, let's talk sauce. This is where the magic really happens. We're going creamy, but without all the guilt. Our sauce is going to be rich and velvety, yet light on the calories. In a pan, heat up a tablespoon of olive oil. This will be the base of our sauce. Throw in some minced garlic and let it sizzle until fragrant. The aroma of garlic cooking is just heavenly, isn't it? Now, add a cup of unsweetened almond milk and a scoop of your favorite unflavored protein powder. This combination will give our sauce a creamy texture and a protein boost. Stir until it's all well combined and smooth. Make sure there are no lumps from the protein powder. This is where the magic happens. As the sauce thickens, it becomes this luscious, creamy base for our pasta. To make it even more special, toss in some fresh spinach. Not only does it add nutrients, but it also brings a vibrant green color to the dish. It wilts down beautifully and adds a pop of color. Plus, spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. These simple seasonings elevate the flavor profile of the sauce. Trust me, nutmeg in creamy sauces is a game changer. It adds a subtle warmth and depth to the dish. Let it simmer for a few minutes until it thickens up. This allows all the flavors to melt together beautifully. Now let's bring it all together. Add the cooked chickpea pasta to the sauce and toss until every strand is coated. This ensures that each bite is full of flavor. Add the cooked chickpea pasta to the sauce and toss until every strand is coated. This ensures that each bite is full of flavor. At this point, your kitchen should smell absolutely divine. The combination of garlic, nutmeg, and creamy sauce is irresistible. But we're not done yet. To make this dish even more satisfying, we're going to add some toppings. For some extra protein, throw in some grilled chicken or shrimp. These additions make the dish heartier and more filling. You can also keep it vegetarian with some sautéed mushrooms or tofu. Both options add a wonderful texture and flavor. Plate it up and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley and a bit of grated Parmesan cheese. These final touches make the dish look and taste even better. And there you have it, a creamy, dreamy, high-protein, low-carb pasta that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your recreations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mouth-watering recipes. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content for you. Until next time, happy cooking, easy cooking, signing off. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. See you soon.